Hey guys, I hope you're awesome because I feel awesome to be in this group. Down for You service is absolutely great. Thanks, big thanks to Wesley, Ariella, Permit, all the team. This is absolutely incredible. I got my first sales a few days ago and I'm getting more now because it's most likely an automated system. Then it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps, follow them. If you don't understand something, you just have to ask Parmit or Ariella anyway, somebody of the team, and they will help you straight away. Sometimes you can feel that something is not working because you're not getting sales straight away, but we always want things straight away. Guys, we cannot want everything right now. We just have to trust and do what we have to do. Do the steps and meditate. This is the secret, guys. I'm really excited to be in this group and super motivated and super happy. Now I am enjoying my day as every day because for what I'm seeing, I just quitted my job and I don't want to do my slave job anymore. Even I'm enjoying doing it. I'm a carer, but anyway, I can do that for free if I want. Then, guys, what I want to say is, first of all, believe in yourself. Second, trust the process. Third, enjoy your success.